everyone, my name is Marissa Harris, and I'll be talking about school psychology today. But first, a little bit about me. This is a photo of my fiance Joshua and myself at home in Colorado. This is my first semester in Idaho, and it has been incredible. I really lucked out with roommates and classes, and everything has been so interesting and so fun, and I'm really grateful to be up here and for the very special spirit that prevails. I love spending time with friends, watching movies, listening to music, reading. When I'm not in school, I love to travel, to meet new people, and go everywhere I can go. I am interested in studying psychology for a variety of reasons. A lot of them are very similar to the ones in chapter 13, and I presume everyone else's lists. I love people, and I want to be able to help others improve their lives. I've had some really incredible experiences with therapy myself, and um, particularly with EMDR therapy and with counseling through the years, and I want to be able to um, help people in the same way I've been helped. With school psychology in particular, I want to help kids have a safe place to go. I didn't always have that growing up, and I think it would be really incredible to be that safe adult that kids can come to and to be able to make a difference in the lives of the future. I think that would be really incredible. I I want to be well educated and emotionally available for my future family as well. That's something that's really important to me. I want to be able to break my own cycles and to be aware of my trauma and how I can overcome everything. I want to be able to be the best mom that I can be and to see ways that I can continually learn and grow. So, a job description from ONET says school psychologists advocate students' well being and offer support services to students at all levels, helping them process and overcome problems, diagnosing disorders, and providing treatment. What it all comes down to is anticipating and fulfilling needs. The ability to address student learning and behavioral problems and counsel with students and with their families to be able to improve their lives, to help them learn how to improve their lives. The opportunity to create and implement to improve the situations that arise for whole schools and for individual kids. Specific duties that come along with that would be to compile and interpret test results along with information from teachers and parents to be able to make those programs, to make those plans and see what needs to be done, what is going wrong, and what can be changed to be able to help those students. Along with that comes maintaining proper records to be able to keep track of everything, to be able to prepare psychological reports, and fluency in relevant software is really important at this point in history to be able to adapt to each school and county and be able to help in the best ways. The required education for this field specifically would be a master's degree, and that aligns really well with myself, with my um, goals, and what I think would be best for my family in particular. Along with that, my 4-year plan, I'm a freshman this year, so I still have a while to go in school. And as I go through school, I want to be able to focus with this career in mind. I want to minor, cluster, or even just personally focus on computer information technology and English electives. I want to be able to focus on these subfields as well because they're both applicable with just about anything you do, but I think they'd be particularly helpful in this situation. I'm planning to volunteer with the Idaho Suicide Prevention Hotline, and I am really excited for that opportunity. I think that that'll help me a lot to grow for myself and to be able to give back and do good. I want to focus on building my resume and curriculum vitae along the way, as well as focusing on the GRE even now to be able to be prepared. And I want to focus on my Spanish education to be able to best serve as many students as I can in the future. Thank you for your time.